Cheers.
Good game, yeah.
Shithead.
What'd I do?
First of all, he said you shot your hit.
No, I shot him.
He shot me, and I was like, oh, you shot me, you gotta go back. And he's like, she's like, no, you're good. I'm like, I gotta go.
We were on the same team.
Yeah.
So like, I'm like, yo, you're good, just keep playing.
I mean, but
Same team, keep playing, keep playing.
you know the rules, right?
Is when you shoot dead man, you go ahead and spawn.
You know, half the people, I just saw like 3 people just shoot me and then keep playing. You know that. Right? No one fucking listens.
Okay, well,
So like,
if no one listens, set a good example. Jesus Christ.
Dear Mario, I'll be waiting for you at the castle on the night of the star.
oh, they're on the same team. Oh my god, they are. Oh my god, it's actually, that's a possum.
It's
a possum? That's a possum, bro. It's not a rat, bro.
pretend to die.